Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. So we can do this part in Revolve command and we can add the holes. You can see there is a inner dia 25 and outer dia is 98 mm. This diameter is 60 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select here Revolve, select the right plane, create center line first, select line, just create one rough sketch, give the dimensions. The overall length is 90 mm, here to here 90, and next this is 15 and 15 both side. Next this diameter is 25 and this diameter is 35 mm. Next outer dia is 98. And this diameter is 50 and this diameter is 60 mm. So this depth is 30 mm. Give the vertical constraint here. So now the sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. The revolve is okay. Next select this face, sketch, create two circles here and give the dimension. The pitch is 100 mm. Here dimension not there. This is 30 and diameter is 12 mm. And create diagonal circle also. Give the equal constraint and give the vertical constraint. Friends, here you can see no need to confuse, the vertical is highlighted, so just click the vertical. Next, select convert entities, select this circle. Okay friends, now you can observe the sketch has moved, so we need to go again normal. Here there is two options, we can press this normal or we can press Ctrl 8. Create line here. So you can do this mirror also. Mirror entities, mirror about center line. So trim entities, trim this line. So we can delete one dimension. So for this reason we can give the equal constraint. So finish, extrude, reverse direction. Okay, we need to create one hole here also. Okay, just edit sketch, convert entities, select this circle, finish. So we need to give the dimension 15 mm. Ctrl 7. Next, here there is a holes. Select circle. The diameter is 10 mm and 6 holes. Pitch you can see 35. Give the vertical constraint. So we can do this pattern. For that, select this circle. Okay, select this circle. We can convert this as a construction line. Next, here select linear sketch pattern. Select this sketch. Sorry. Select here circular sketch pattern. Select the sketch. We need here 6 holes. So equally divided into 360 degrees. Finish sketch. So finish sketch, extruded cut, select here up to next. Okay, Ctrl 7. So that's it friends. Assign some material. So assign any one of the color here. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me.